So let me show you my husband's side of the bathroom. This is his side. This has been there for a while. He's meaning to try to put it up here and see if it will work up there to try to minimize this stuff down here, even though right now this is okay, but maybe this can be on this. And he kind of has it, this is cling to him because he's had it messier. But I wanted to see if these would work here, because this is what we have going on here. And on this side, this. And I don't know if men care. It feels like he doesn't, but it bugs me. Even though I have no business to be in here because this is not my side, it just bugs me a lot. So I found these and I was gonna see if I can use them here. So let's see if it works. So what's on top? And now I have these 3 pins. Let's do this. Because this is area and I did it without letting him know, he ended up coming back here, and I had originally those black and black bins. He didn't like them because of the fabric, so he ended up switching out for these that we already had in the house. They're from a Dollar Tree, and he got rid of some stuff, and then he just moved everything and put everything in here. But yeah, and then I just put toilet paper in this bathroom because on mine the stool just gets in the way every time we want to open those doors. So I figured this would be easier to just come in and just get toilet paper from this side since there's nothing blocked. This is what we're going to deal with today. We're tackling my restroom area, my entire bathroom area. So I'm the only one responsible to blame for this, even though I'm not the one who puts everything on top here, but it's my area. So obviously the system that I had here failed this month. I need to clean it. I had it going on pretty well in this area, and for the most part this was the area that just had stuff, but as you can see things have piled up, and I was actually worse yesterday, I think, but there was already things that I already moved around. But anyways, and this is my drawer, my main one, and as you can see I already have like an organizing system going on. But oh, here it is. I was actually looking for it. Oh no, this actually doesn't even go here. I don't even know how I got here because it wasn't here this morning. And yeah, so this is a system that I kind of have going on. It seems to work, but there's a lot of things here that I don't use, and for the majority part I actually don't use anything. So because I don't even open these things, and the same thing with the bottom. So I want to go through stuff and just, I guess, dump them. The bottom drawer. So this is what I have going on. I don't like it because it's all mismatched, and this is like things that I've used for the past couple of years from living in apartments. Like this bin, it was from long time ago, years ago. I have some other bins here that I got at Ross, so I want to try this out and see if that's gonna work. If not, I have 2 extra ones in case, because when I got these were the only ones that were available, and that was like, I don't know, 2 months ago maybe. So yeah, so I want to go over this stuff and organize it, get rid of this bin, get rid of this bin, and try to use these bins, because this is not even being used anymore because my son is being potty trained and he hasn't used diapers for the past couple of weeks. So yeah, so let's get this going. And if you guys like this kind of stuff, then please subscribe, give this video a like, and leave me a comment down below. How is it going? What are you guys doing? What are you organizing? And just remember, try to organize one space or one room at a time so that you don't feel overwhelmed if organizing and decluttering and cleaning is not your thing, and you feel accomplished when you get it done, and it's just more motivating to just keep going. So yeah, let's start. So let me show you guys all the stuff that I got out. So this is trash. I mean, all of this is trash, but this is like recycled stuff that I was able to get out, and I got it in the middle of it. And then all of this stuff is pretty much what I got out of these drawers. It didn't look like I had much, but because like every time we move, I try to declutter and empty and get rid of stuff. But when it comes to beauty and hair supplies, I tend to keep these items because I'm like, I might use them. I feel really bad throwing them away if they're full, but these have been here for already more than a year, and some of them are expired, some of them I just never really liked them. All these samples, I never used them, and they're already past a year, so I figured to get rid of them. Since I've had these things more than a year and not used them, I don't think they're good. And like I don't know if I said earlier or not, but they have this little symbol here, most things, and that means that it's only good for 12 months after you open it. So a lot of these things are either 6 to 12 months, so they're not good. These things are dry. Yeah, a bunch of things that are not good anymore, so they're all gonna go to the trash. Recycle stuff. And then I try to see if these bins would work, but no, they're fabric, and I think my husband was right. For the bathrooms, I think it's better to have like plastic or glass. I mean, not glass, but like plastic, so that it's easier to clean. Because if it's like a fabric type of material, it's just like how are you gonna wash this? Like, it's gonna be more work to wash it and clean it. So I think I'm just gonna end up returning these. I try to use them in the closet, everywhere around the house, and they just don't seem to work here, so I'm just gonna return them. I ended up getting these bags out from the drawers. They're empty. Some of these I'm probably gonna get rid of, and this one I need to wash because it's so dirty. And then this one I was thinking of keeping it and put like a first aid kit in here, and either keep it up here or keep it downstairs. But eventually we'd like to have like a first aid kit in both areas so that I don't have to be going up and down. And yeah, these are just things that I took out. I had this tray here. I had this tray out here, but it just didn't work. It's just another thing to end up piling up with stuff that is just not good. Alright, so this tray, it's from Dollar Tree. It's one of the sturdy ones. It's not the flimsy plastic one. And it came in gold. Got it over the holidays. Alright, my vitamins here. This is what I have this place so that I can use, like, these are like half used things. These are new, and these are like almost empties. Well, this one's almost new too. But these are things that I gonna tend to gravitate to whenever I'm gonna go to sleep or wash my face, stuff like that. So I want to keep those on display that I can use them and just switch out the cleansers that I'm using throughout the week. Tissues over here, just basic. My son tends to brush his teeth on this in this sink whenever he takes a shower in this bathroom. This is stuff. I know this is for towel, but I just don't have a place to put all my headbands, so for now they're there. Now this, it might still look the same, but it's not. I switched things around. Like, all the makeup section is just here. I am very minimal on makeup. I don't tend to use makeup, to be honest, but if I do, then it's here. all the brushes here. These are just lotions, ointments, cleansers and stuff like that. Rubber bands in here, a pen just in case I ever need a pen, face stuff or hair stuff, my tongue cleaner, and then these are things that I need to clean. Toothbrush, and then a face thing. Over here I have my jewelry stuff here, then my rings, dry brush, headbands for whenever I'm in the shower. This bag over here is a makeup bag that I have full of like lipsticks and lip colors, and then this is just shea butter. So that is that. And then down here, this is so, and I'm trying to talk very fast here. So this is just feminine stuff that I don't use, but I eventually will use once I have the baby, because I did get my menstrual cycle right away after I had my first one. And then these are extra bags that I like to have, like kits ready for whenever I do have my cycle. I can just grab one of these and take it to me if I'm gonna get out of the house. And here's another one. So that's that. Here is just extra stuff, scissors, a sewing kit, extra Q-tips, face mask, and then like an empty bag for like makeup if I'm gonna like go somewhere. This is hair appliances, and this is just a bunch of extra stuff. So I have like a bunch of sunblocks, extra hair shampoo and conditioner, alcohol, and these are here because I already have one in each bathroom, and if I need to switch it out, I can just come over here and switch it out. But I don't, I already have like 2 other ones in the bathroom. This is a belly mask. I have not used it. I just got it. I was like, oh, why not? And then just extra stuff, hair products and things like that, and coconut oil that I need to find the lid for. Down here is my son's stuff, some watercolors, oils, and then like baby shampoos, hair comb. And then I'm trying to save these rolls to do like a little activity with my son. So for now it's there. And then just down here, this is my shaving things that I use whenever I need to shave. So for now it's just there. And then an extra water bottle because my son always wants to drink water after he brushes his teeth. And then over here, this is a stool for my son to be able to reach. And then I guess I should show this purse. Here's just toothpaste, my son's whitening kit, and then like a bunch of extra ones that I found that I just put them there so that we can use them up. Little Command Dollar Tree hook for a towel to dry. And then over here is just bathroom cleaning supplies and extra things here. I did go over this, and I actually got rid of a bunch of like sample things that were in there, and then it's pretty much has my like accessories in there. So since I don't have a place to put them, I'm just gonna keep them there for now, since I don't really wear them at the moment. But yeah, ideally I think I would like to have like a little caddy for easier like carry, but this is what I had here, so I might as well use this. And this is a sturdy one from Dollar Tree that I've had for like years already. Whenever my Dollar Trees around me do stock up on their white bins, then I will probably end up getting one of those because I really want those. And then this is from Dollar Tree, I think. Also, I think it was a set of 3 that I had laying in the, it was in the junk drawer, and I took it out of there because I didn't need to use it there anymore. So I just put it there for now, and that is it.